Gambian families have opened a case where they are suing an Indian pharmaceutical company for distributing a toxic cough syrup which claimed the lives of 70 babies in 2022. India's Union Health Minister has said 71 companies have been issued show cause notices following concerns raised in some quarters about reported deaths due to contaminated Indian-made cough syrups, and 18 of them have been asked to shut shop. Here's a report.
It's an incident that caused ripples in the tiny nation of Gambia. Late 2022, a made-in-India cough syrup that turned out to be poisonous for infants.
WHO has today issued a medical product alert for 4 contaminated medicines identified in the Gambia that have been potentially linked with acute kidney injuries and 66 deaths among children.
The deaths linked allegedly to the consumption of 4 cough syrups and fever-reducing drugs made by Maiden Pharmaceuticals raised concerns about lax regulation in India's $42 billion pharmaceutical industry. It also exposed lack of testing capability in poorer nations such as Gambia that have no drug-making facilities. The Government of India says an extensive risk-based analysis is done continuously to ensure the production of quality medicines in the country, and there is zero tolerance on spurious medicines. India's health minister says that India is the pharmacy of the world and it wants to assure everyone that it is also the quality pharmacy of the world. The relatives of the 20 Gambian children who died allegedly after consuming toxic cough syrups have sued Indian drug maker Maiden Pharmaceuticals, as well as local authorities in the West African country. The filing opens a new front in the fight for compensation and justice after at least 70 children, mostly babies and toddlers, died from acute kidney injury in Gambia last year.
But what is painful? It is when it's due to the negligence of these people, the Gambian government and the Ministry of Health, who have caused the death of 69 children. It is painful.
It is now time for the government to take action and stop these products from getting inside the country. Because if they don't prevent these syrups from coming in, it could be even worse.
The filing was presented to the High Court of Gambia. In it, the families seek about $250,000 in compensation for each child, amounting to about $5 million for the 20 children represented. Bureau Report, WION World is One.